just scream at you.
I'm gonna do this foot.
Hey, your feet, your shoes, your roller skates are bigger than your head, bigger than your body. Stand up. Okay. Okay, look. When you walk, you need to walk like this. You need to walk like this. Wait, here. Get used to it. Pick up your feet like this so you know how heavy it is. Okay. Watch. Go. Stand up straight. Stand up straight. Stop. Stop. Stand. I'm going to push you.
No!
Stand up. Here, I push you to the wall and
No!
You better go stand on the wall or go sit down because somebody needs to go do something for math. Stand up! Okay, roll over there, go.
I can't.
Roll. Stand up. You too skinny.
Lesson number 1 is accomplished.